Hello guys, so I have today with me Portronics Type C to 3.5 female AUX connector. Hello guys, today I have Portronics Type C to 3.5 female AUX connector with me. So let's unbox it. I have ordered it from Amazon. If you also want to order it, you can using my link in the description. So I'm unboxing it. Recently Amazon has reduced the amount of packaging material used, which is a great thing. And yeah, I personally would say a thank you to Amazon. Just thank you Amazon, whatever. Let's open it. So here is the product. As being visible, this is too simple. And here as you can see, it has DAC technology, and now I'm gonna just use a TRS one to connect with it. Okay, let's try it. Now I'm going to use it with my phone. So as you can see, I have my headphone here, and I'm going to connect it with the phone which I'm using, and we'll be trying testing. Yeah, it's working nice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.